Slow down, nanay. Wala tayong deadline of submission na hinahabol. In this video, I will share to you some of my practical tips how to slow down when you have little children. Hi, I'm Donna, and now I transformed by God through motherhood. Disclaimer lang, I am not by any means an expert productivity guru or someone that mastered time management. Lahat ng aking babanggitin ay nanggaling sa aking treasury of experiences because as they say, experience is the best teacher. And to give you a context, I am a homeschooling nanay of children ages 9, 6, and 2. Wala kaming household helper, kami lang dalawa ng asawa ko ang nagtutulungan mostly sa childcare and gawaing bahay. And by the grace of God, we are happily thriving in this setup. So now, the stage has been set. Let's start. So number 1 tip, simplify everything. Okay, to be honest, dito papasok ang art of minimalism and essentialism pagdating sa mga bagay. Kapag kasi konti lang yung mga gamit mo, mas mamamaximize mo lahat ng usage nito. Like minimal toys, minimal clothes, minimal house inventory, minimal meals, minimal decision making, minimal clutter equals a peaceful mind and unhurried life. And that's a different video to tell. Number 2, create simple daily routines. Simple lang, nasa sobrang simple nito ay mamememorize na ng mga anak mo anong mangyayari pagkatapos kumain. Kung kailan ba dapat sila pwedeng maglaro or kung pwede na ba sila manood ng TV kasi children thrives in good routines and we must be the one who take the lead. Number 3, say no more often. Okay lang yan kung hindi kayo present sa church every Sunday because of your season in motherhood. Independent children, a toddler or newborn, okay lang yan nanay. Naiintindihan ka ni Jesus basta make sure present si God sa bahay niyo 24/7, 7 days a week and always check your heart. Number 4, have a screen-free day. Wala man ang TV for kids means wala ring phone for me. So yes, I intentionally avoid carrying my smartphone with me all the time. No social media, no doom scrolling during daytime because the moment I'll pick it up, wala na, sira ang aking peace. Alam ko, gets nyo ako, especially sa mga homemaker dyan na kagaya ko. Number 5, last but not the least, do not multitask. Multitasking is a myth. In fact, the Bible says in Ecclesiastes 9:10, whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your might. In short, one task at a time. And on that certain task, you must put all your efforts and be done. Marami na study about sa negative effects ng multitasking, especially sa ating emosyon. At bilang nanay na labeled as a multitasker,